So today on my little road proving ground, I have the 2020 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro. This thing comes with TRD tuned Fox shocks with some remote reservoirs and three-way dampening, or three-stage dampening I should say. So I'm going to test it out on my little course. This road goes from paved to must have been paved like years and years ago. Now it's completely ruined with bumps, rocks and everything, and then it goes back to paved. I recently tested out the RAV4 TRD off-road on this course, and this is going to be the second vehicle that I test on it. So this course has a bunch of bumps, as you can see, or hopefully you can see on the video. From the first video I filmed, this road is a lot worse than it looks on the video, but it should be a good test of in between taking it on a novice trail and the road. This road kind of fits right in between there, so let's see what it can do. Let's go back through. So from that just first what I would call lap, this thing just soaks all that up. Now, like I said, this isn't exactly an off-road course. It's pretty much the worst road that I know of in my 3-state area that I usually commute between Pennsylvania, Maryland, and Virginia. So let's go back. And that was all in 2-wheel drive mode.